Hi friends, it's Mr. Alex from Adams Memorial Library, and it's time to get out those online ocean craft packs to make this week's craft. This time we're going to be making a glitter fish mosaic, just like this one right here, and there are only a few things that we'll need to grab from our craft kit. Now, if you don't have a craft kit, then you can come here to the library to either our children's room desk or our curbside pickup to grab one while supplies last. There are just a couple of things that we're going to need to make this mosaic, and I'll show you what they are so we can get started. This week's craft is pretty self-contained, so the only two things that we need to make our glitter fish mosaic are this background with our fish design on it and this kit of dots and a piece of string. So grab those out of your craft kit and we will start making our mosaic. If you've participated in any of our stick together activities here at the library, then you're probably already an expert on how to make our glitter fish mosaic. And it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is take these strips of colored dots and you can peel them right off their backing, just like this, and they will be sticky on the back. Then you can take those dots and apply it to your fish background on a circle of the same color, just like that. So, for instance, I'm going to start with my purple dots and apply all of those to my fish mosaic. After attaching each of my mosaic pieces, just like this, my fish is shining. But there are just a couple of things to keep in mind, even though these steps of the craft are pretty simple. The first thing is that, as you can see, some of my glitter dots did not peel off correctly, and I just had to remove the backing from them before I could stick them to my project. I also have a handful of glitter dots left over in this color, and that's okay. You might have a few extra. So I can go ahead and set those aside and begin on the next color for my mosaic. I'm going to apply each of these colors, my yellow and my three different blues, to our mosaic background, and once I'm done, we'll have an awesome picture. So I'll show you what mine looks like in just a little bit. At this point, I've taken my sticker sheets in my other colors and applied those dots to the spaces on my glitter fish mosaic as well. And as you can see, we have one sparkly piece of art. And it's a very basic technique that makes something really great. The last step to our glitter fish mosaic is that we're going to need a way to hang it. And in your kit, you should have a piece of cord like this that we can feed through the hole at the top of our project and add a knot. Once we do this, we'll have a way to hang our project. What I recommend doing is folding the piece of cord into a loop, just like this, feeding that loop through the hole in the center of our mosaic, taking the two loose ends, feeding them through that loop, and this will attach the cord to our mosaic, just like this. And then we can go ahead and knot off the top of the cord. And once we do this, we'll have a little loop that we can hang our project from. And just like that, our glitter fish mosaic is ready to be displayed wherever we would like it hung. Well, friends, I'm pretty happy with how glittery my mosaic is, but more importantly, I'd like to see how your craft turned out. So be sure to send us pictures as part of the Summer Reading Shutterbug badge on Beanstack, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube for updates not only about our online summer craft pack activities, but everything else that we're doing here at the library. And as always, happy crafting, everybody! Friends, are you also participating in our Palmer Summer Reading Program on Beanstack and logging your reading and activities? Well, if you are, you'll definitely want to enter this crafts code, which for the summer craft pack is FISH, which will be right here on your screen. So be sure to enter it for your Beanstack badge and some prize tickets that you can enter into our drawings up until August 6th.